Welcome to SalesCaptain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up an IVR menu. Press 1 for sales. Let's get started. First, head over to your call flows page by navigating to the lab section in your dashboard. This is where you build and manage all of your call routing logic. Go ahead and click Create New to start a fresh call flow. Think of this as your blank canvas. You'll design the exact experience callers have when they dial your business number. Now drag the IVR flow control element from the sidebar and drop it right onto your canvas. This is the core of your phone menu. A configuration pop-up will appear. This is where you set up everything: your greeting audio, key press options, and retry behavior. For your greeting, you can either upload an MP3 file or use the text-to-speech option to generate one automatically. Now let's enable the first 3 keys. Toggle on digits 1, 2, and 0 and type a label for each. For example, digit 1 is sales, digit 2 is support, and 0 connects to your front desk. These labels help you stay organized as your call flow grows. For each digit's prompt, you again have the choice to upload a custom MP3 recording or use the built-in text-to-speech. A professional recording goes a long way toward building caller trust. Click Save on the pop-up and you'll return to the visual call flow editor. Now you can see each digit branch laid out on your canvas. For each branch, connect a forwarding action. Route digit 1 to your sales rep, digit 2 to your support team, and 0 to the front desk. You could also route any of these to a ring group or even an AI agent if you want automated handling. Don't forget to configure your fallback path. If a caller doesn't press anything or hits an invalid key, set it to replay the greeting up to 2 times before sending them to voicemail. Now add voicemail nodes to every no answer branch so no caller ever hits a dead end. Once everything looks good, click Save, then publish your call flow. Head back to the call flows list and you'll see it's now live. That's it. Your professional IVR menu is up and running, routing callers exactly where they need to go. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.